Anytime we, the Igbos in River State, say that we are Igbo, body go dey pepper una. I don't know what is your problem. Do you want to change our language? Eh? Anyị na-asụ Igbo. Do you want to change our market, which is Eke? Do you want to change mmanwụ anyị na-eti? Eh? Because anyị na-eme mmanwụ, we do our masquerade. Do you also want to change the titles we take in our community? Also title. Yes. And these things are what Igbo people do. What is your problem? Being Igbo, is it a crime? I don't understand all of you. If you're not commenting nonsense to my post, the person you are talking about is from my hometown. I am from River State. Yes, no need to be precise. We are Igbo. Igbo can answer. It doesn't matter if you don't want to accept it. That is your business. My community be Igbo. As in not even 8% or no, not even 98%. I mean 100% Igbo. And so when we don't have any other language. So what is your own? If you do not want to accept it, my brother, stop commenting here. Stop commenting because I'm very clear. I'm not deceiving anybody. It is you that is deceiving yourself. Give us Bini language. Make we the speaker. So you will be happy that we are no longer Igbo. You change our names. Not just surname, but our main given names. Onye ọbụla gakwaza afa nne ya o. Go and answer your father's name. Oh. My own father's name is what I'm answering. Don't tell me who I am or where I am from. Anyị bụ Igbo. Etu aka some other people na-agwa fa ga join now IIC. Una na-agba ọsọ.